Wow. Hi, this is Bill Thompson with Meridian Vitality. I'm going to be creating a new website called Hydrate to Optimize, and it's going to be a site that is geared towards how people can use water to solve a lot of common problems like allergies and arthritis and angina and whatnot. But anyways, it's a site that I'm really excited about. It's very simple and it's going to have all kinds of useful information. Like today, I mean, it's spring here in Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada. As you can see behind me, the ocean is quite beautiful. This is a bit of rugged shoreline here in Lawrencetown. But, you know, soon the trees will be budding and the flowers will be blooming and the grass will be out, and the thing about that is there's going to be a lot of pollen. You know, and people who have allergies or who have asthma, it can be a pretty dodgy time of the year, needless to say. And you know, there's lots of people who live with asthma and allergies, and there are some remedies out there that are all natural and are really easy. And I'd just like to talk about one thing that can actually help with both asthma and allergies is just drinking water and taking salt. And what I mean by that is that salt is a natural histamine. This is why it works, and it's quite interesting and it's quite easy. And salt is a natural histamine. And what happens is when you drink a glass of water, your body's getting what it needs, because a lot of the main cause or the root cause of why people have asthma and allergies is due to what is called unintentional chronic dehydration. And unintentional chronic dehydration is something that is easily remedied. You just have to drink more water. We live in a chronically dehydrated society, and most of the people that I talk to barely drink any water at all. As a matter of fact, the recommended amount is half your body weight in ounces of water. And if you're not used to drinking that much, or you're not accustomed to drinking that much, work up to that amount slowly. But half your body weight in ounces of water. So if you weigh 100 pounds, you should drink 50 ounces of water per day. That would be your water quota. But you have to take salt. But here's the deal about salt and water for asthma and allergies. Salt is a natural histamine. And by drinking water, you give your body what it needs. So your body is very intelligent and smart and knows that it's getting water, and basically will start to release the symptoms or the onset of an allergy or an asthma attack. But anyways, so drink the water, 2 glasses of water, and then the next thing you do is you take a pinch of salt, a small pinch of salt, and put it on your tongue. And like I said, salt is a natural histamine, and what will happen is that it will trick your brain into thinking it's about to get a huge dose of salt, and it will stop the own histamine production of the body. And in doing so, you can stop allergies, and you can stop an asthma attack dead in its tracks just by doing something as simple as taking water and salt. It's something that's been around for ages. As a matter of fact, in the days of Rome, they used to drink water and salt for a lot of common ailments. I mean, they were all over the place, and especially in the hotter climates. They actually used to pay their soldiers in salt because salt was so valuable. But anyway, yeah, something as simple as drinking some water and taking a pinch of salt and putting it on your tongue. And it works. That's the funny thing. And I've been telling people this, and people have been doing it, and it's been working. And I use it myself. When I experience an allergen in the air or whatever, then I always have my salt with me. It's in the car right now, but I usually have my salt with me, and I carry a big jug of water, and I drink my water quota, and I take salt as needed. But it's as simple as that. And you know, people are taking medications and inhalers for things like asthma and allergies, and it's basically just adding insult to injury, because most pharmaceuticals, prescription and non-prescription drugs, are very acidifying to the body, or acid forming in the body when they're taken. And especially antihistamines. Antihistamines are a huge problem for people that are chronically dehydrated and have asthma and allergies, because of the fact that it stops the body's production of histamine, and histamine is essential. Like I said, your body's perfect. Pharmaceuticals aren't. And what it does, when you take an antihistamine, it stops the neurotransmitter histamine from allocating water resources within the body. And pharmaceuticals target antihistamines when in fact antihistamines is what you want to have active within your body. And by shutting it down, you basically are shutting off your body's ability to allocate water to where it's needed, and you just add insult to injury. And this is a known fact. But anyways, so histamine is the good guy, especially when it comes to people who are chronically dehydrated. I mean, after all, your body is 70% water, 75% water. And if you lack it, I mean, all it takes is a 2% drop in your body's water and you'll start to experience some brain fog. Maybe that would explain some of the intelligence that is being displayed by humanity as of late. But anyways, but this basically comes from a lot of over 20 years of work by a guy named Dr. Batman Geldage, and what he has put forth is that unintentional chronic dehydration is the cause of all sickness and disease. It's the genesis point, because if your body lacks the ability to flush out toxins and byproducts of living, acidic waste, then basically what's going to happen is you're going to get sick. The cells won't function properly, and the acidity within the cell, because the cell lacks the ability to flush itself out properly, that acidity within the cell will start to eat away at the DNA and cause all kinds of problems. But anyhow, to stop an asthma attack dead in its tracks and to alleviate the symptoms of allergies, basically all you have to do is drink 2 glasses of water and put a pinch of salt on your tongue, and within a few minutes you shall be provided with relief. It's that simple. Anyways, have a good day. I just want you to take a look at this beautiful beach area. This is Lawrencetown Beach over my home. It's a place where I come to think about things a lot. But anyways, while I was walking here today, I thought I would just say my little blurb on allergies and asthma, because the spring is here, and pollen's going to be around, grasses will be blooming, and all that good stuff. And you know, all it takes is water and salt, and give it a shot. It's not going to hurt you, and besides, it's going to give you something that your body desperately needs anyways, Bill Thompson, Meridian Vitality. Look for my new website, Hydrate to Optimize, and have a good day. Peace.